what's up? This is Lovely Diaries. If you're a channel subscriber, welcome back. And if you're new here, I'm Musa, and please subscribe. So as you can see, guys, your girl is glowing. Your girl is glowing. I love winter for the glow. But don't mind my voice. Like, I've been busy the whole day. Like, this is actually the time I've actually spoken properly. But basically, you're gonna be doing a get ready with me for a trip. I don't know what I'm gonna call it, but like, you getting ready with me for a trip. So your girl is going on a vacation, as I call it. Yeah, so you're basically going on a vacation, and I want you guys to come along with me, pack with me, and stuff. So if you're a 10 subscriber, girl, I am so sorry for the inconsistency, but school has been schooling, guys. School has been schooling. It was very hard to manage because like I just recently started my YouTube channel, so I was still new to the editing and stuff like that. So with exams, and I'm in grade 11, child, it was not child's play, but we pushed paper, we pushed through, and we are here right now. It's school holidays, it's winter holidays. Like one of my favorite, not one of my favorites. Nothing can beat festive season holidays like December, guys. No, but anyway, too much rambling. So I have a I have some things that I have to do today, right? I have some things that I have to do today. Basically, I have what should I call it? A packing list, if I could say that. So I have a packing list of the things that I have to like pack and the things that I have to make sure that I pack, like a pack list. I suggest you guys when you're traveling somewhere, you make that list unless you have money to buy each and every single thing when you get to the location. So as you can see, the girl is crusty. The girl is crusty because I just took a shower in the morning, right? I just took a quick bath in the morning. Why? Because I knew that the day was going to be busy. Usually I don't do that. Okay, sometimes I do, but like on a school holiday, I wouldn't, because I know that I'm not going to go anywhere. So I'll bath later when it's warmer. But yeah, so right now, I'm not going to be packing. So basically, yeah, you guys are going to be coming along with me. And right now, we're actually going to the mall to go get some few things. And I'm going to be y'all coming with me. You right? You coming with me. So I'll see you guys in the car. So basically, as you could see, we're at the mall and we just bought some things that we needed. Last minute things that we needed. As you can see, your girl is crusty. Like the first slice of brown bread. But sorry, for tomorrow you're gonna be looking cute. Maybe, maybe not. But by the way, today is Tuesday and tomorrow is Wednesday, right? So yeah, I'm hungry. Me and my little sister are hungry. So we're gonna go buy some food. I don't know what we're gonna buy yet, but probably pizza. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning. I hope you guys are good. So today's the next morning. So it is Wednesday. And yeah, we're gonna leave later because my dad had to go to work. So we're gonna take a half day, whatever. The whole situation. I thought we were gonna leave early, but we didn't. And how about yesterday? We ended up having pizza for lunch. And not today, child. I was tired. I was so tired. I did not know. Okay, I knew, but like we were at the mall for like about 5 hours, guys. 5 hours. But anyway, not 5 hours, four. But anyway, We got things done, but my parents still went to the mall again because my mom and my little sister, they bought something. But I'm here. I'll just wash my face. So I'm done packing. I'm gonna show you guys my bag, I guess, because I already finished packing. Because guys, after we went to the mall, I was genuinely so tired, bro. I was genuinely so tired. I got home, I ate the pizza, and then I slept. As I was sleeping, I like literally took a nap for like 30 minutes because we are like at the mall for about a good 4 or 5 hours. But then yeah, and then I packed my bag quickly because the electricity was about to go off, load shedding, the ghetto. But yeah, and then I packed my bag yesterday, and after that there was load shedding. I ate again. My mom cooked. I ate again, and I went to sleep again. Yeah, but so today we're gonna departure at like I don't know what time we're gonna leave, but we're gonna leave later than we expected. We're gonna leave and go to Joburg. Joburg. Don't wanna stay there. If I stay in Joburg, guys, take this clip right here and show me and be like, Musa, what changed? What changed, my girl? What changed? But anyway, guys, I'll see you. Maybe I'll show you guys my bag, but like if I don't, I'll see you guys in the next clip. Bye. So basically now I'm done. Your girl is tired again. Guys, I don't know why I get so tired so easily these days. So we're basically just waiting for my dad to come. I'm ready, simple, chilled outfit because you're not going anywhere either way. So basically right now at the petrol station, child, and yeah, cause it's late. What time is it? It's like 7 and child. We're at the petrol station. Quick pee and yeah.